Want to learn a simple and easy 5-minute trading trick? It works for gold, forex, crypto, stocks, and more. Stick around to see how this strategy works. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let's get started. Go to the Indicator Search tab. In the search bar, type Range Filter Buy and Sell 5 Minutes. Then select the Range Filter Buy and Sell 5-Minute Indicator by Phantom Trader. After that, configure the settings for the Range Filter Buy and Sell 5-Minute Indicator. In the Input tab, keep the indicator settings at default. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove the elements you don't need. Uncheck the boxes for high target, low target, target bar color, high target range, and low target range. Next, adjust the color of the range filter to your preference. For better visibility, change the buy signal to green and the sell signal to red. Once you're done, click OK to confirm the changes. The Range Filter Buy and Sell 5-Minute Indicator will be used as a trend guide and a signal for placing orders in the market. If the range filter line is green, it indicates a bullish trend. If the line is red, it indicates a bearish trend. To place buy and sell orders, simply follow the signals that appear from the indicator. Now, add the second indicator to be used as a signal filter in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type PP Signal Drake Delay Oscillator. Then select the PP Signal Drake Delay Oscillator indicator by PP Signal. Next, make some adjustments to the PP Signal Drake Delay Oscillator indicator. In the Input tab, keep the indicator settings at default. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, change the background color to green and red. Adjust the opacity of the background color to your preference. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. The PP Signal Drake Delay Oscillator will be used as a signal filter in the market. If the background of the indicator is green, it confirms a bullish trend. If the background is red, it confirms a bearish trend. How to place a sell order. If the Range Filter Buy and Sell indicator gives a sell signal, you need to ensure that it is a valid sell signal. Confirm that the PP Signal Drake Delay Oscillator also shows a bearish confirmation, meaning the background of the oscillator should be red. If the Drake oscillator provides a bearish confirmation, then it is a valid sell signal. Make sure the candlestick formed is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick has closed. Set the stop loss at the most recent swing high. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy order. If the Range Filter Buy and Sell indicator gives a buy signal, you need to ensure that it is a valid buy signal. Confirm that the PP Signal Drake Delay Oscillator also shows a bullish confirmation, meaning the background of the oscillator should be green. If the Drake oscillator provides a bullish confirmation, then it is a valid buy signal. Make sure the candlestick formed is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick is closed. Set the stop loss at the most recent swing low. Use a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Remember, no strategy is foolproof, as no strategy can guarantee a 100% win rate. So stick to your money management rules. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. That's it for now. See you in the next one.